how to find your business portfolio ID in Facebook Business Manager. To do this, you're going to go ahead into your business settings. So to do that, you could go inside your ads manager and then go to your all tools and then go to your business settings. Inside business settings, you'll be able to see business information at the very top of the left tab. Go ahead and press on that. Right beside the middle of the profile picture thing, you'll be able to see the business portfolio ID. Of course, it's going to be used to identify your business across Meta services. Other way you can find it is directly in the URL when you're inside your business settings. The number shown in the URL link is also going to be your business portfolio ID. But that's pretty much some options you have if you want to find your business portfolio ID in your Facebook Meta business. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.